Today, we're going to be talking about PocketGuard, a popular budgeting app that helps you track your expenses and save money. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to budget your money and found it to be a frustrating and overwhelming experience? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle to keep track of their finances, and that's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard can come in handy. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about PocketGuard, including whether or not there is a free version. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is PocketGuard? PocketGuard is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and save money. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. How does PocketGuard work? PocketGuard works by connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows the app to track your transactions automatically. You can also manually add transactions, such as cash purchases or receipts. Once your transactions are in the app, you can use them to create budgets and track your progress towards your financial goals. PocketGuard also provides a number of features to help you save money, such as automatic savings and a spending tracker. Is there a free version of PocketGuard? Yes, there is a free version of PocketGuard. However, the free version has limited features compared to the paid version. For example, the free version only allows you to track up to 10 categories of expenses. Is PocketGuard worth it? Whether or not PocketGuard is worth it for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a basic budgeting app that can help you track your expenses and set financial goals, the free version may be sufficient. However, if you want more features, such as the ability to track multiple bank accounts and set custom budgets, you may want to consider upgrading to the paid version. Overall, PocketGuard is a well-designed and user-friendly budgeting app that can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to get their finances in order. In addition to the features I've mentioned, PocketGuard also offers a number of other benefits, such as the ability to create custom reports and graphs to track your progress over time, the ability to sync your data across multiple devices, the ability to set up automatic reminders to help you stay on track with your budget. If you're looking for a budgeting app that can help you take control of your finances, I highly recommend giving PocketGuard a try. With that said, thanks for watching.